got the 411? Who's got the 411? We got the 411.
I've got something that I think is even more critical right here in the United States, and that's the UNCF's position with regard to taking the donation from the Koch brothers. They've taken $25 million. President Michael Lomax has decided that that's the course he wanted to go. And the exciting part of it for me, though, is the fact that AFSCME, the major public workers union, has decided to sever ties with UNCF. They're taking a stand. They are not going to let this go without saying, hey, you know what? These guys ideologically stand for the wrong things. They stand against what we represent, as well as the UNCF. And they were, I think, really decisive about making that move when Michael Lomax decided to actually speak at a Koch-sponsored summit, where he actually says, okay, I'm all in. And that's a problem. And I think people have to call him on the carpet. We hope the audience will let UNCF know this is not good. The ends do not justify the means. All money is not good money. And we're seeing that Donald Sterling making a contribution with the NAACP in LA, and now here on a larger scale, they've got to really, take a step back and say, wait a second, is Michael Lomax the right guy to run our group? And we have to find a way to get our fundraising up. So we need to do that as well. But that's it's a really sad situation.
We got the 411. Who's got the 411? We got the 411. That's the 411.